In this next video, I'm going to show you how to use the Wildcard tab. The Wildcard tab is a way to look up information quickly and easily. To get there, you're going to click on the Wildcard tab up at the top. You can look things up by SKU, either through the inventory inquiry or manage SKU. You can look things up for your store. You can look things up by user, either by first name, last name, or login. And you can look up customers, either by using the account number, first name, or last name. So for example, if I wanted to look up a SKU, if you know the exact SKU, you can type it in. But if I want to look up M992, and I click on the lookup, I want to look at it in the inventory inquiry screen. This will bring me directly to the inventory inquiry screen and bring up that SKU. Now, if there were more SKUs that started with M992, then I would actually see the View Lookup tool and all of my options. But since there was only one item, it went ahead and brought that up for me. So if I clicked on Wildcard and I just put an M and I want to look at an inventory inquiry, I can click on Lookup. Now it brings me to the inventory inquiry screen, but I have my View Lookup tool and everything that starts with an M. And then I can find my SKU if I can do it that way and select it. If I wanted to look up a SKU on the Manage SKU screen, I could click on the drop down, change it to Manage SKU. And if I wanted to type in a partial SKU, I could do so, and I could click on Lookup. And that will automatically bring me to the Manage SKU screen where I create SKUs. And I have my lookup here, and if I know what I want, I can select it, and that comes up on the screen. If I want to look some store information up, I can either type in that store, I can click on Lookup, and that will bring me into the store screen. And now we're in Store Setup. If I wanted to look something up by user, I could go to the user, and I could do it by first name, last name, or login. I could type in a partial user, or I could just leave it blank and click on Lookup. And that will then bring me to the Manage User screen. And I can go ahead and select what user I want. And the last thing is by customer. If I wanted to look a customer up by account number, first name, or last name, I could choose that. I could type in partial or the entire one and click on Lookup. And that will bring me into Manage Customers. And I can locate the customer I want, select it, and they'll come up on the screen. So the Wildcard is designed to save you time. If you want to get to an area that has to do with the SKU, whether it's inventory inquiry or manage SKU, the store, the user, whether it's first name, last name, or login, or customer, whether it's account number, first name, or last name, this is the way to go, and that'll get you there quickly.